talk, fun and games, so you don't wanna play now. Run away, run away, run away. Feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone. Wide awake, but it just feels wrong. Stay in bed till the whole year's gone. Wake me up when it's over. Feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone. Medicate till my brain goes down. Like a train where your feet won't run. Stuck in place, paralyzed. I feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone. Feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone.
What's up guys, it's Techno Viking 23 coming to you today with another fun little skiing video. I've been actually wanting to make this video since the end of March. I've just been really busy with a lot of things going on with work and with real life, and just hadn't been able to get around to it until now. What I did basically was took all my GoPro footage that I had from this past ski season and kind of cut together a little montage of sorts of all the trips that we got to go on this year. It was an absolutely amazing ski season. We got to go quite a few times. I got out about 10 times on the mountain this season. Got all the way back up to Wisp and Winterplace in West Virginia. Of course, we hit up Canaan Valley a couple of times for Canaan and Timberline. And we even got to check out Cataloochee in North Carolina, which was pretty cool. Pretty long season too. Cataloochee opened up right after Thanksgiving. We actually got to go pretty early in December for the first trip up there. And then Canaan and Timberline also opened up fairly early and had a lot of really good snowstorms and snowfall throughout January and February. So the trips that we got to go on up there were pretty amazing. I've been going up to Canaan Valley for over 30 years, and this season was honestly one of the best I can remember, even from back when I was a kid. There was fresh snow pretty much every time we went up. We had the place to ourselves, just absolutely awesome skiing, a little bit of powder here and there even for West Virginia. And unfortunately, some of the trips I went up on the way back, I actually missed out on some pretty major snowstorms that they had come in on the weekend right after I left. So there was one weekend where I left on a Friday, and then Friday night into Saturday, they had over a foot of snow come down, and Canaan had like all their trails open for the first time in like a decade. So missed out on that, unfortunately. Learned my lesson there, where I was just like, you know what, if I'm up there again and the forecast is for a big blizzard coming in within a couple days of my trip, I'm just going to take some extra time and just stay up there and get to enjoy it. So it was still a great season, though. Like I said, we got to ski pretty late too, into March. I think the last time I went out was like March 13th or 14th, right around St. Patrick's Day. And I actually had a third trip planned to go up to Canaan, but unfortunately had to call that one off because if you recall one of the Timberline videos, we actually did take a pretty nasty fall, and I ended up breaking my tailbone. So I had to sit out for about a month before that recovered and I was able to go. But we at least were able to sneak out and get one more day in at Cataloochee. It was a pretty warm day. Got up to about 60 degrees, but it was still pretty fun. And again, just led to a very nice long ski season from December to March. So hopefully we will get that again this year. I've got a couple trips I'm already trying to work on planning for the upcoming season. I want to try to hit up Beach Mountain this year, which is in North Carolina. And also might try to check out, I think, Bryson Resort, which is about 2 hours from Canaan Valley. So I'm thinking on one of my trips up there, maybe I'll try to make a little side trip and check out that. Because I've never actually been skiing in Virginia before, so that might be kind of a pretty cool trip. But it's been a good year since the season kind of ended. We got to take the skis and get them tuned up, and now we got to wait out the rest of the year until we get to November, December later this year, and hopefully we'll get some of the places in North Carolina opened up a little early so we can make some day trips early on in the season. I don't really have much planned for the summer. I am going to be taking a trip up to Canaan Valley in August. That'll just mainly be for some hiking. We're going to hit up Seneca Rocks and some other spots, so I'll take you guys along with the video. We'll do some scenic tour there, and probably be heading back up in early October. I want to try to time it right to catch the fall leaves and the color up in West Virginia, because it's absolutely amazing if you can get up to Tucker County in Canaan Valley and Davis right when the leaves change over. It's pretty awesome if you can get up there for that. So we're trying to go up there, pairing that up with a visit to WVU in October for a football game, so that should be a pretty fun little trip. But really, that's about all I've got planned for right now. As I said, we're not going to have too much action until next season. So for right now, we're just kind of getting back in the gym, trying to stay in shape, get back in ski shape. Got to work on the legs and get everything going. It was a great season this last season because we were able to lose about 30 pounds last year between the prior ski season. So it actually made a huge difference. Just with overall endurance and speed and being able to just really get out there and rip it up all season for the most part. So really looking forward to this season coming up. I hope you guys enjoy this little montage. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you again next time.